biggest ROI or time savings we found with WrightPlan come in a few different areas. The first being quoting. We found the ability to get quotes out at a much quicker rate with all the information in the system and established rates. The other areas are scheduling and dispatch. We previously had a lot of conversations operationally about schedule and whose availability is actual real, and now we have the ability to look at that real time in the schedule view. Lastly, we are able to submit invoices and get those rolled out at an extremely fast rate, sometimes the same day the job is completed. My favorite part about working with the WrightPlan team is their encouragement to grow with us. We're an ever-changing company, we're growing at a fast rate, and having WrightPlan's buy-in that they're willing to evolve with us has helped keep us on the trajectory that we want to go as a company. For someone that's on the fence about trying WrightPlan, I would tell them it's scary at first, but it's well worth the time and energy on the front end. There's going to be a lot of changes. It's an event that takes time. It's not going to be an overnight change, but through proper data testing, you're going to get the result, and it's all about what you put in for what you get out.